Hi guys, today we'll be reading Peppa Pig and the Busy Day at School, so yeah, let's get started. It's Special Talent Day at school, and Peppa is very excited. She has many different talents, so she hasn't decided which one to share. Maybe I'll jump rope, says Peppa, or sing or dance. Mummy Pig, Daddy Pig, Peppa, and George eat a good pancake breakfast. Then they get in the car to go to school. Peppa's friends have already arrived. Pedro Pony, Candy Cat, and Rebecca Rabbit are there. Good morning, says Madame Gazelle. Are you ready for Special Talent Day? We'll share our talents this afternoon, but first, we have a busy day. The class practices counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, begins Madame Gazelle. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, shouts the class. Then Madame Gazelle asks the class to name things that begin with each letter of the alphabet. Then it's time to play store. Peppa and Susie are the shopkeepers. What would you like? Asks Peppa. Do you have any cookies? Asks Donny Dog. No, says Peppa, but we do have a toy telephone. That will be $1. Thank you, says Donny Dog. Do you have a loaf of bread? Asks Pedro Pony. No, says Peppa, but we do have a dollhouse. Well, okay, says Pedro. What can I buy for $100? Asks Rebecca Rabbit. How about a carrot? Says Peppa. Everyone laughs. Next, it's time to paint. Peppa wants to teach George how to paint a flower. Make a circle, says Peppa. George paints a green circle. Then he paints a green zigzag line. That's not right, George, says Peppa. George keeps painting. Madame Gazelle looks at Peppa's painting. What a lovely flower, she says, and George has painted a dinosaur. Perfect! At lunchtime, Peppa and George eat sandwiches with Donny Dog. There's a watermelon for dessert. Hooray! Recess! Everyone heads out to the playground. There's a new swing and Peppa wants to try it. She squeezes in. Help! She cries. I'm stuck. Peppa looks funny in the swing, but Peppa doesn't think being stuck is funny. Her friends try to help. They pull and pull and pull. Pop! Out comes Peppa. Let's play on the slide, she says. It's time for a music, sings Madame Gazelle. Everyone, choose an instrument. Danny chooses the bango drums. Look, I've got cymbals, says Rebecca. Zoe gets maracas. Freddie chooses a triangle, and Pedro has a tambourine. Everyone plays together. Boom, bang, crash! Oh my, cries Madame Gazelle. That sounds a bit more like noise than music. Let's go one at a time. Then each of you can join in. Ting, 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 goes the triangle. Boom, 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 goes Peppa's bass drum. Bang, 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 go the bango drums. Crash, 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 go the cymbals. Shake, a shake, a shake, go the maracas. Lovely, says Madame Gazelle. Finally, it's time for special talents. Everyone takes turns. Danny Dog's special talent is drumming. Bang, bang, bang. Pedro Pony does a magic trick. Everyone closes their eyes and he makes a glass of water disappear. Zoe Zebra sings. Candy Cat jumps ropes. Oh no, thinks Peppa. Now I can't do either of those. It's a good thing I'm good at dancing too. Then Susie Sheep gets up. I'm going to dance, she says. Oh no, says Peppa. What's the matter? Asks Madame Gazelle. I don't have a special talent. That hasn't been done already, says Peppa. Of course you do, says Madame Gazelle. Think of something you really like to do. Peppa's quiet. She thinks. Then she smiles. I know, she says. Then she grabs her boots. Follow me. I'm the best at jumping in muddy puddles. Peppa jumps in a muddy puddle. Then everyone jumps in muddy puddles. This has been a very good day at school, says Peppa. And it has. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Please comment down below and let me know your recommendations for the next book that I should make my video on. And I will see you guys next time. Bye!